Leena Baijal, please unmute yourself.
Anji, namaskar, sir.
Namaskar.
I want to ask about my son's marriage. When will it happen? Why it is not happening? Why he is fearful of marriage, and how and when it will happen? And it will be a good marriage.
What is his name?
Anshul Bajal.
How do you spell it?
Anshul. Anshul.
Is he your first child?
Second child.
Second child?
Yeah.
Second pregnancy, correct?
No. I had 3 miscarriages, 2 miscarriages before him. I have an elder daughter. And after him also I had 1 abortion.
Okay. 5, 7, 9, 11. All right. Give me a random horary number, please, for this question.
7.
All right. Be blessed. We will rotate this to your 4th pregnancy. 1, 2, 3, 4. First was a daughter, second aborted, third miscarriage, fourth is
No.
son.
First was miscarriage. Second was daughter. Third was aborted.
Aborted.
Third was aborted. Fourth is this son, and fifth was aborted.
Not a problem. 5, 7, 9, 11. We will take the 4. Each pregnancy is counted as one possible child. So we look at 5th house is for the first child, second house, 7th house is for the second child, 9th house is for the third child, 11th house is for the 4th child.
Okay.
All right. We have done that. Now in this we look at the 7th house. Starts in Cancer at 2909, sublord Saturn in the star of Rahu. Moon is in Saturn's star today. Rahu is in 3rd house. Successful marriage will happen after he turns 33.
He is 35 already.
35. Yeah. After 33, things will happen. It will happen. Through advertisement only it will happen. Very successful, happy marriage. Well, let me read out the entire rule book for you, what it says for you to understand. I have published the world's largest rule book on Krishnamurti Paddhati system, 7th house. So this is the rule book that I am showing you. 7th house of Lord signifying 3rd, 2 and 11. Big fortune in marriage. Spouse will cooperate in all matters, tackles family problems easily within the family. All this will be there. Most importantly, big fortune and spouse will cooperate. 7 equal to 2 also, because Jupiter is owning the second bhava. Gains by marriage, increase financial position by either doing business, especially after marriage. Dutiful spouse, duty conscious spouse it will be. 7 also signifies the 11th house. Partner, life partner up to his satisfaction, conjugal bliss, gains through partner, realizes the ambition through his life partner. His partner will be in good spirit and good health. In all possible ways, he is going to be very successful in his marriage. Okay, most likely.
He is already 35.
Yeah. It will take some time.
Marriage. More time.
Don't worry about it. Just another 1.5 to 2 months. Things will start to progress, particularly in Mercury moon. You can arrange for marriage when in October, August, September end. September 25th onwards, you can try for marriage for him. Good times have started coming for him. He will get married. 100% sure marriage will take place. You don't have to worry, but try after September 25th.
Okay. Then I have to advertise in the paper, or because we are looking through bureaus and all. Is that
Yeah,
an
yeah, yeah,
advertisement?
yeah. Yeah, yeah. That's also advertisement only, no. So basically, he
Yes.
is not going to be able to find his own spouse. You have to find for him.
Okay.
Saturn Dasa,
Okay.
Saturn Punarpu dosha he has got. So therefore, there is a delay in marriage. That's all. But once 33 is over, the time will come. He will start getting married. Once time has come, September 10th, 15th, 25th onwards, start trying. He will be interested in getting married. You will only have to arrange for him. Your parents have to arrange for him. Marriage will take place. Very successful marriage. All the very best to you. Good luck. Be
I'm
blessed.
so
Come back to
grateful.
me
I'm
if you
so grateful.
good things will happen. Don't worry. See, I keep telling people that good things will happen for good people, but sometimes it will be delayed. That doesn't mean that you are a failure or you are going to suffer in life. We are not born to suffer. We are all born to succeed in life. Have hope. My prayers, blessings, all the very best to you. If you would like to come back to me for checking the marriage matching, you can fix an appointment online. You can go to learnastrologyonline.in.
And should I look for a Mangli girl or non-Mangli girl? There is a lot of stress because his time of birth is not clear.
Don't worry about it, it's not required. He will certainly. So you can fix an appointment with me whenever you want. You can just go to Learn Astrology Online, click on this appointment, and you will see all my appointment calendar. Everything will be there. You can fix an appointment and check with me. All right.
Okay.
All the very best to you. Good luck.
Thank you.
Be
Thank
blessed.
you.